Today's topic is preposition are words that are used to connect nouns or pronouns in a sentence. Sa Tagalog, ito'y pang-ukol. Ito'y mga kataga o salita na nag-uugnay sa pangalan. Pangalan ng tao, bagay, hayop, pook o pangyayari sa isang pangungusap. But today, maraming preposition Pero ngayon, 2 versus 4 muna ang ating tatalakayin. Bakit? Kasi marami pa rin tao at kasama na ako doon ang naguguluhan kung ano ba dapat ang ilalagay sa sentence. Alright. 2. Okay. May mga aso tayong alaga, kaya talagang maginay dito. Alright? Nalilito, marami pa rin nalilito kung ano bang right or correct preposition. 2 versus 4. Masiklaway ko. Okay. I have here 2 examples. Okay, panimulang examples para mas maintindihan natin ang preposition. Okay, number 1 example. I gave dog food blank Jordan. What do you think is the right preposition? 2 or 4? I gave dog food blank Jordan. Okay, the correct answer is 2. T-O. 2. I gave dog food to Jordan. Bakit? Ginagamit ang to, T-O po, T-O, shows movement or transferring, okay? To kapag nagpapakita ka ng galaw or movement or transferring things to another. Ang for naman, F-O-R, you made or did something good or beneficial for others. Again, for you did something good for yourself or for others, or you did something beneficial for yourself or for your other people. Okay? Here's another example. I made food blank Jordan. I made a food blank Jordan. Correct answer is 4. Bakit? From the word made. Okay? Gumawa ka ng pagkain for Jordan. It is beneficial? Yes. It is good for others? Yes. It is beneficial, it is reasonable and good for Jordan kasi you made food for him. Unlike sa nauna example, you gave. Ibig sabihin, nagbigay ka, you shows movement, right? So yun yung pagkakaiba ng 2 at 4. Ayun yung gamit nila. Again, ang 2 shows movement or transferring, while 4, you did something good or beneficial. Alright? Let's go now to a lot more examples of preposition 2. Mr. Tom delivered chocolate cake to Miss Anna. Delivered chocolate cake, yeah. You shows movement or transferring or delivering food to Miss Anna. That's why it's 2. Another example. They are going to Manila. Okay? You shows movement again. They are going to Manila. Okay? Another examples. I came here to play. Okay, pumunta ka doon para maglaro. Alright, that's it. Pumunta ka lang doon para maglaro. You shows movement. Last example. I will send a picture to her. I will send. You shows movement na naman. I will send a picture to her. Ang gamit ng to is when sending, selling o pagbebenta. Sending, selling, yan ang gamit ng to. Shows movement or delivering. Okay? And let's go now to for. I made this song for you. Mali, sorry. I made this song for her. Okay? You made a song for her. It is beneficial, right? That's why it's for, not to. I made this song to her. I made this song to her. Parang medyo okay din. Pero ang correct preposition is for. I made this for her. Kasi it's something beneficial, right? Another example. I will do that for you. It is beneficial, right? Gagawin mo yun para sa kanya. It is something good. You did something good. That's why it's for. Another example, eating vegetables is good to you. Eating vegetables is good for you. Okay? Nakakalito talaga ang for at to na prepositions. Pero because of bashing Google, yes, nag-search ako, diba, ng meaning or examples or usage ng to and for na preposition in a sentence. And that's why I'm sharing this to all of you guys. Sharing is caring, and we should share our knowledge para yung knowledge mo is napapasa napapasa. Ikot-ikot lang, hindi yan nai-stuck lang dyan sa tabi, nabubulok. Mas maganda nagsha-share ka ng knowledge para hindi lang ikaw ang mayroong knowledge, kundi ikaw, kayo, lahat tayo, diba? Learn together, grow together. Alright, last example of for, okay? I went to drugstore for medicine. I went to drugstore to my medicine. Okay, mas mali. I went to drugstore. Ayan. Okay yan. Kasi pumunta ka lang sa drugstore. Pero hindi mo in-specific. Hindi mo in-specify kung for what. Okay? This time, for your medicine. It is beneficial for you. Okay? That's why it's for. I went to drugstore for my medicine. It is something good. Pero kapag I went blank drugstore, I went to drugstore. Yun lang. Pero may dinagdag ka for your medicine. That's why it's beneficial. Okay, sana naintindihan nyo. Kung hindi nyo naintindihan, i-dislike nyo na to. Mag-comment kayo ng mga bash or something else. Bahala na kayo. Kasi hindi naman ako teacher. I'm just sharing what I've learned through Google or internet. Silent T, internet, Google. I learned something from other people and I'm sharing it with you guys. And because of the help of internet and Google, yan, nakapag discuss ako dito, no? Sana naman tama itong mga pinagsasabi ko at mga examples. Ito, may short quiz akong nilaan para sa inyo. Okay? 1 to 4 lang to. Madaling-madali, no? Kasi, para lang, titignan ko kung may naintindihan ba kayo. Kung 4 out of 4, very good. Naiintindihan nyo ako, mga katoto, mga katota. At, ilagay nyo yung score nyo sa baba. Kung ilang nakuha nyo. Okay? Kung 1 or 0 nakuha nyo, oh my G. Huwag na kayong manood sa akin. Sabihin, walang kwenta to. Mag-google mo lang kayo. Okay, let's start short quiz. Ito na ang short quiz. 1 to 4, I went blank, Iceland. 2 or 4. I have a gift, blank, you. I made this, blank, you. Miss Amy gave this, blank, me. Okay. Gusto ko lang tong shades ko. Hindi na ako maganda ko. answer is number 1 is 2. I went to Iceland. Okay? Number 2 is I have a gift for you. Number 3, I made this for you. And number 4 is Miss Amy gave this to me. Okay, sana naka-perfect answer kayo. Okay, that's all for today's topic. 2 versus 4. Okay. Hindi number 2, hindi number 4, kundi 2 na word, na preposition at 4. Alright? Okay, mukhang marami kayong natutunan sa akin. Kung gusto niyo pang maraming matutunan, visit this channel. Nagawa niyo na nga. Okay? At marami pa akong video na mga educational. Okay, very educational. Alright? Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment your scores. At kung may comment kayo, suggestions or clarifications, comment down below. Alright? Thank you. Bye-bye.